Many of you might have watched Scam 1992, which is an interesting story based on a stock market scam committed by Harshad Mehta. Every now and then, we hear one or the other news about the stock market. Many of you have been either investing in the stock market or are thinking about doing it. After all, it is one of the most famous and one of the most efficient ways of investing, either for long term or for short term. There have been many investors who have made it big in the stock market. In this video, we will talk about 5 such legendary investors who have made themselves huge sums of money in the Indian stock market. So come on, let's see who these dons of Dalal Street are. The first name which comes to our mind is that of Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, who is also known as the Warren Buffett of India and the king of bull market. He is among the top 50 richest people in India with a net worth of 2.9 billion US dollars. He started his journey with short-term trading. He earned his first big profit in 1986 when he bought 5,000 shares of Tata Tea at rupees 43, and then the stock rose to rupees 143 within 3 months, and hence he earned over 3 times the profit. Then slowly he moved towards longer term investing. His best investments have been Sesa Goa, Lupin, Crisil and Praj Industries. His biggest investment is in Titan, which is worth around 7,000 crore rupees. One of the turning points in his life came in 1989. The annual budget was going to be announced by the government. The market was pessimistic about the budget, so the stock indices were low. But Mr. Jhunjhunwala was convinced that the budget would be market friendly. So he kept on buying shares from the market. When the budget was announced, it was much better than the market expectations. As a result, Mr. Jhunjhunwala's investments soared in value. His net worth climbed from around 2 crore rupees to 20 crore rupees. Mr. Jhunjhunwala focuses on 5 points before investing in any company. First, people. Second, patience. He says if you are impatient, you will make the biggest mistakes. Third, technology. Fourth, governance. And fifth, frugality. He says he doesn't like to invest in companies like Uber or WeWork, which he says are linear businesses. But he likes Amazon and Facebook, which continuously innovated and also does not need much offline integration. He says, if I look at these 5 things, I do not know why I will not be successful. Next on the list is Mr. Vijay Kedia. Mr. Kedia says that you need to have 3 important qualities to become successful in the stock market. First, knowledge. He says before investing, get some knowledge about the stock market. Read financial newspapers regularly and learn from others investors' experiences and mistakes. Second, courage. He says investors should have the courage to invest a good amount in stocks. And third, patience. His successful stock picks include Aegis Logistics and Atolotto. One of his famous quotes are, "A bull market is very much like being in love. You don't realize its value until it's gone." Mr. Kedia adheres to SMILE as a principle in investing, which translates into small in size, medium in experience, large in aspiration, and extra large in market potential. He says he invests in mid-sized companies which have a management experience of around 10 to 15 years, which aspire to become one of the top companies in the market and have a huge market potential. His mantra for long-term investing is, invest like a bull, sit like a bear, and watch like an eagle. The next don of Dalal Street is Mr. Radhakishan Damani. He is also known as Mr. White and White. Oh sorry, that's Abbas Mastan. He is Mr. Damani. There is a famous story associated to Mr. Damani. During 1990s, there were 2 gangs who used to operate in the stock market. One was the Gujarati gang and the other was the Marwadi gang. The Gujarati gang found their hero in Harshad Mehta. On the Marwadi side, 2 people were getting famous. One was Mr. Damani and the second was Mr. Jhunjhunwala. At that time, the 2 gangs took opposite sides over stocks such as Apollo Tyres and ACC Cements. Harshad Mehta took the stock prices to sky-high levels. The other side could not take the losses anymore and they exited the position with huge losses. This was just the beginning of a long war that spanned for nearly 2 years until the scam was unearthed in 1992. Some of the famous stock investments of Mr. Damani include Gati, TCI, Blue Dart, Sundaram Finance, and India Cements. Mr. Damani has not only showed his mettle by investing in stock markets, but also by creating a valuable company, which we today known as DMart. Mr. Damani started this company in 2002. Now DMart has around 200 stores across the country. He also made DMart public by listing it on the stock market. He is the fourth richest person in India with a net worth of 15.4 billion US dollars. The next veteran investor is Mr. Chandrakant Sampath. He is widely regarded as one of the foremost value investors in the country. He is considered the guru of famous investors like Parag Parikh, Radhakishan Damani, and Porinju Veliath. His 3 investment mantras include: first, invest in companies with least capital expenditure, which are the funds used to acquire and upgrade physical assets such as plants and equipments. Second, invest in companies with return on capital greater than 25%. And third, invest in companies with high level of dividends. One of the leading investment gurus who has influenced Mr. Sampath is Peter Drucker. Oh sorry, this is Peter Dinklage. This is Peter Drucker. Mr. Sampath made a huge success in the 1970s with the introduction of the Foreign Exchange Regulation Act. This act required foreign companies to list their shares at prices lower than their intrinsic values. Some of his famous stocks include Gillette, HUL, P&G, Colgate, and Nestle. He was well aware of the size and scale that this business could achieve, and hence he went on a buying spree. Last but not the least, we want to present Mr. Ramdev Agrawal. He co-founded Motilal Oswal Financial Services in 1987 with his friend Motilal Oswal. He has been deeply influenced by Mr. Warren Buffett. He says that Mr. Buffett has taught him the importance of having a focused portfolio of not more than 30 stocks rather than a highly diversified portfolio. Some of his famous stock picks are Hero Honda, Ajanta Pharma, Eicher Motors, and Infosys. His famous investment mantra is known as QGLP, which stands for Quality, Growth, Longevity, and Price. Quality means quality of business and quality of management. He says buy only those businesses which you understand. Growth means growth in earnings and sustained return on equity. Longevity refers to the sustenance of the competitive advantage of the business. At Motilal Oswal, they follow a principle: buy right, sit tight, which means buying stocks to be held almost forever. On price, he follows price is what we pay, value is what we get. So, he emphasizes the importance of buying at a reasonable price. There are a whole lot of other successful investors whom you can read about. Some of them include Porinju Veliath, Dolly and Rajiv Khanna, Parag Parikh, Ramesh Damani, and Nimish Shah. In this video, we have seen the investment philosophies of 5 legendary stock market investors. Here, we have tried to summarize those in 5 investment mantras. First is knowledge. Invest in those companies which you know about. Second is people and governance. The management and the governance standards play an important role in the growth of a company. Third is growth potential. Fourth is patience. Stock markets can be volatile in the short term, but it would prove to be beneficial in the longer term. Fifth is courage. Don't be afraid of mistakes. We hope that you will like this video. Please let us know which of the investment mantras did you like the most, or you can share your experience about investing in the stock market. We will be back with more such videos. Goodbye.